Hello everyone, if you want big eyes and want to remove wrinkles, then this video is only for you. But before face yoga must do. Wash your hands, wash your face and apply any cream or face oil on your face. Our first exercise is this, curved eyebrows. Do this for 30 seconds. Our second exercise is this, almond eyes. Do this for 30 seconds. Our third exercise is this, lively eyes. This for 30 seconds. Our fourth exercise is this, eyes under control. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Our fifth exercise is this, eye frame. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Our sixth exercise is this, eyebrow stretch. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Our seventh exercise is this, eyeful. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. Our eighth exercise is this, rabbit eye. Do this exercise for 30 seconds and this is our last exercise. All exercises are complete. If you want more exercise and knowledge about face yoga and makeup so more then, make sure to join Telegram channel. Link in bio. Thank you for watching.